friends, God bless you and welcome. This is an open invite video and this is my tier tray collaboration. And friends, my co-host is Miss Gigi from Gigi Creations. Friends, this is the instructions for the collab. All you have to do is have a tier tray, and if you don't have a tier tray, you can just put it on a tray. This collaboration is February 25th, 2022 at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Time. All the information to this collaboration will be in my description box and on my community page. Friends, I hope that you can join me in this. Thank you so much. And if you can join, just comment and let me know. Guys, I'm looking to see what you guys create. Thank you so much. God bless you from Penny. Bye-bye.